Guys? Welcome back to MattDIY. Thanks for tuning in again today. So we got part 2 of the kitchen slight remodel project coming up for you. We're actually going to go ahead and patch the holes from the old cabinet hardware, and then we're actually going to sand that down briefly, and then actually go ahead and put the new paint on the cabinets. Should be pretty good. Should come out really nice. I'm excited about it. I think it's going to update the kitchen a whole heck of a lot for just under $100. So stay tuned. We're going to get right into that. Before we get started though, guys, if you haven't seen the other video or you're interested in this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe down below. Comment on this video, like if you liked it. Let me know what you think. But with that, let's go ahead and jump into it. Get to painting these cabinets. So thanks for watching, guys. Really excited about how that came out. I think it was a huge improvement for not a whole lot of money, so pretty excited about that. Before we get out of here, though, guys, be sure to subscribe down below for more of this coming forward. We're actually going to go ahead and lay the flooring in the next video. That'll be the third and final part, so be sure to stay tuned for that, putting down some laminate flooring there. So it should be exciting. If you have any questions or anything, drop those comments down below, like this video. Be sure to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram at MattDIY1. Until next time, guys, be sure to get out and do it yourself.